In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your profile on Agoda. Whether you're updating your personal information or fine-tuning your travel preferences, making sure your Agoda profile is up to date is essential. To begin, let's navigate to the Agoda official website. Open your preferred web browser and enter www.agoda.com into the address bar. Once you are on Agoda's landing page, look for the sign in option typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. For a seamless login experience, you might choose to sign in using Google. This option not only speeds things up but also spares you the need to remember another password. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the Agoda homepage. This is your central hub where you'll find various options catering to your travel needs. But today our focus is on the profile settings. Direct your attention to the top right corner again, where you'll find your account or profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Profile. This is your gateway to personalizing your Agoda experience. After accessing your profile, navigate to the User Details section. Here you can view and update all the personal information associated with your Agoda account. Click on User Details, which brings up all your personal data like your name, email address and contact information. Ensure that all your details are current, especially if you've recently changed any critical information like your email or phone number. Now, to make any changes, look for the Edit option. Typically this button is prominently displayed, making it easy to spot. Click on Edit and you will now be able to modify fields that might require updates. As you make changes, double check your entries for accuracy to avoid any issues when booking or communicating through Agoda. Finally, once you've made all necessary updates, be sure not to leave your changes hanging in the digital void. Look for the Save option, usually found at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure that all your updates are securely stored. This essential step confirms that your profile information is safely updated and reflects any modifications you've just made. And there you have it. Editing your profile on Agoda is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your booking experience. Keeping your details current ensures smoother transactions and better communication with hosts and partners. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of your Agoda account. Thanks for watching and happy travels.